Okay, so we're doing this again. We're really going to do this again? No. Let me tell you something. It is 2025 and people have bills to pay. No matter who, what it is, I'm always taking the money. And I feel like a lot of people agree we're always going to take the money. 10,000, 20,000, Jay-Z, anybody, money or whosoever or whatever, we're taking the money. We want the money. Do you see the economy? We need money. But no one nobody tell me this or that. If you're not taking the money, what is the purpose? Like why? Why wouldn't you take the money? Listen to me. In a this year, more on anything. This year, anything you ask me, more on the money, more. Like I want my money in full. Give me my money. Give me the lump sum. Give uncle so I can get uncle some film cut, and then I gotta take back mine. Right? More on the lump sum. I want it upfront. Don't give it to me monthly. Just give me the money. I don't want. No, I want the money. No matter what is it, no matter what it is, the money. Choose the money. Always choose the money. I will be choosing the money all the time. Okay? More on the money.